Alright, I'm gonna go get my kids and see if they can draw this 3D ladder by just me showing them the picture. This 3D ladder, can you draw this 3D ladder?
Yes.
I can probably draw some of it, but then I will mess up.
Alright, well give it a shot.
I can wipe it off.
Maybe you should use a pencil.
Sure. But I need a wipe.
Yeah, that's called permanent marker. That's Dad's fault. Alright, let's see what. Oh, yeah, that might be close, Gar. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I mean, I gotta get the right angle on it, but. There you go. Carter got it.
The final touch.
Oh, the final touch.
And I draw Bub.
Bub's away. For all the Dogman fans. That's Bub.
And Dave Pilkey.
Alright, guys, I think we're just about done.
It's Joker.
Oh, the Joker. Because he drew the Joker.
Yeah, he has bounces on his legs.
He has what on his legs?
Bouncers.
Bouncers? What are bouncers?
They go super high when
Oh,
you jump.
like springs?
Yeah.
Okay. Springs on Joker's feet. I love it.
Try this at home.